from that on. If you don't have anything, you're welcome to stick around. Otherwise, I'm just going to be talking to the screen. Okay. If you want to stick around and ask questions, that's fine as well. But I just want to make sure that you guys have this opportunity. Try to get your multiple choice done this weekend so you can work on your FRQ when you're back. Okay.
Okay, so I'll stick around because I guess it's just a work day on a thing that I already finished.
That's fine, as long as you're not going to get in trouble. If you need me to clear attendance, you know, check with your teacher and I can clear.
I'll check into the class because there is still a link to see if there's a sub in attendance, but otherwise
I would do that. Yeah, and then come back to me, okay? All right. So we talked about this one. We're done with that. So D is, does the value of Kc increase, decrease, or remain the same when the temperature is decreased? And we have to justify our answer. Well, if we ended up shifting it this direction, right? That means that we're going to reduce the amount or the concentration of H2 and I2. Okay, they're going to go down, and we're going to increase the amount of HI that's produced. So if this goes down and this goes up, how does that affect our Kc? Our value on the top here is getting bigger. Okay, so if we had, let's just do 4 divided by 2. Okay, and now we've shifted that over, and now we've got 8 divided by 1. What's happened to our Kc value? 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then that would make this 8. So that's going to increase our Kc value because of this. And you can just show them math like this if you want. It is. I told my AP kids I didn't get through everything, so I'm recording the rest of the FRQ discussion. Okay. And then I'm going to post it to YouTube. All right. So any questions on D? No? Okay. E, then we've got these empty boxes that they want us to draw in. Right now I have for I2, I've got 1, 2, I've got 2 I2s to start with. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these. And I have 1, 2 of these. Okay, so if we go through that lower temperature, we're lowering the temperature. We've said that we're going to produce more HI. So what they want us to do is draw an appropriate number of each type. So we're going to take one of these, and we're going to take one of these, and we're going to form them into 2 of these. Okay, and then we've got to draw the ones that are already in there. So I've got to draw 10 in that were already there to begin with. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that was my starting amount. Now I'm going to take these and I'm going to do 2 more of those. 1, 2, and then I've got to draw the other 2 that are remaining. So 1 and then 1. Make sense? So they're going to count you. So what I ended up with is one of these, and 12 of these then. Okay. And sometimes it's easier if you do stuff like, you know, you've got your numbers over here to help you. Use your scratch paper on this. They won't fault you for that. Okay. So that takes care of that one. Oh, was that it? Is that all we had to go through? That was all that was on this, right? Oh, I'm done. Cool. Questions?
Okay, yeah, hold on. I'm just not understanding D now for a second here. So, so why is it increased when the temperature is decreased?
So when we decreased the temperature, right? Heat was like one of our products. Yes.
Okay, so that was when we were taking it out.
Yep. So we're
Oh,
lowering.
because we were shifting it to
So
the
we're
product
shifting
side.
it this way. Yep. So we're going to make more of this. That means that that top number for our K value is going to increase. And we are going to lower the amount of, oh, wait a minute. Did I? Yeah. Yeah. We're going to lower the amount of these two. Okay. So these two.
That makes sense.
Okay. So this value down here is going to get smaller. This value is going to get bigger. And if we just look mathematically, right, at these, if we are sitting here, if we, if you're trying to figure out how this is going to affect your K value, well, I just put some random numbers in here, okay? I put 4 and 2, just to start with. And then if I increase my top number and decrease my bottom number, what's going to happen to my value? Well, it's going to increase.
Okay.
These are just random numbers just to see how the math kind of fleshes out.
All right, I gotta go.
Okay.
I got 1 minute.
All right. Tell Mr. Bodru hello.
Okay. See ya.
Yep. Austin, how are you? Got any questions? Okay. Well, have a good weekend. I will see you next week then, okay?
All right, see ya.
Yep. Bye, hon.
By the way, so I don't know if you really noticed in my background, but there was.
Wait a minute. Let me stop recording, okay?
All right.